this video, we will explore the Sculptris Pro feature in great detail. This advanced editing mode enables topologically unrestricted sculpting. When Sculptris Pro mode is actively engaged, the currently selected brush modifies the topology of the object in real time, ensuring that the mesh receives sufficient subdivision. In order to better describe our target shape, let's check an example. We'll activate the Sculptris Pro button up here and get started right away. Depending on the size of our brush, the surface area is going to be partitioned differently. Consequently, a brush with a large radius results in a somewhat larger polygon subdivision. And for a smaller one, a correspondingly more detailed mesh of the surface. When we hold down the Shift key, the smooth brush quickly becomes active. In conjunction with Sculptris Pro, it removes the existing polygons. The primary advantage of this Sculptris Pro feature becomes evident when we use the snake brushes, for example. Real-time geometry generation delivers ample detail to create a smooth curve. The Sculptris Pro mode can also be used in conjunction with polypainting. The smaller our brush is, the more polygons are created, leading to a beautifully precise and sharp polypaint application in the end. In the next video, we will explore how to effectively give our object an optimal topology.